Let's talk why I'm literally the only person who still uses makeup wipes. I really like to think that I'm the only person in the world who still uses these fuckers. And here's why. I love oil cleansing. I believe it is one of the best ways to remove all your makeup on your skin. Ugh. I feel makeup wipes dissolve all this cocoa perfectly. I hate going in the sink full of foundation because it stains my sink for one, and two, all this nasty foundation residue runs down my arms. It's disgusting. So I like to wipe off all this makeup first and then go in with an oil cleanser again. Now you may be saying, why don't you use a cloth? Whenever I use a cloth, I feel like I'm rubbing the foundation around my face and I don't like the feeling. It feels gross. See? Ugh. That would have been in my sink and down my arms. Although I am aware that makeup wipes are so terrible for the environment. If you have a better option for me, let me know. Bye.